If you want to trade gold, stocks, oil, indices, crypto, everything, you can basically do it all through one simple app that is called Bybit. They've recently allowed for some new functionalities where you can basically combine everything within one account and use USDT to trade this all. Obviously, you can also use your euros, your dollars, your everything, but the fact that you can actually use USDT for this, it's just a game changer, as I believe Bybit is the first in the industry to allow for this. And a while back, I basically promised myself I was going to get more into traditional investing, or matter of fact, into traditional trading really, to trade the S&P more than just Bitcoin, just Ethereum, just XRP, right? My cryptos. And so the fact that I can now do this through my Bybit app is a game changer for me. And I'll show you guys exactly how to do it through the Bybit app. You can also do this through the Bybit web, you can just go to the website, but there's some additional steps for it, which I've explained in a different tutorial. Today, I'll just explain how to do it through the app because it's super simple, just like how you trade any other crypto. Alright, so if you're wondering how to do this in the app, go ahead and type in TradFi or TradeFi. It'll head you over into the section that's called TradFi right here. And, well, basically it's already pretty self-explanatory, but it will ask you to make an account, connect your account, or something of the sort. It is because you're officially connecting a different account, a MetaTrader 5 account to Bybit. Maybe it'll ask you to put in a master password, things like that. It depends on if you're using the app or the website for it. Just confirm everything, and the most important part then is that this will say 0. You're going to have to transfer some money into it. So obviously you press the transfer button. It'll then ask you where you want to transfer from. You want to get it from your funding account. If your money is not in there yet, you'll figure out how to transfer some money into your TradFi or TradFi account. And you can always transfer it back. Don't worry about that. I just put in $10,000 for this example. And I'll quickly scroll through here to show you what you've got. So you can see you've got copy trading if you want to. You've got a guide if I've not explained something good enough. You've got a funding log in case you just press it, you'll see exactly what it stands for. But the most important part is that right now there's a $1 million prize going on or going around, where the more you trade, the more you'll also be earning from this. Like I said before in many of my videos, if you use the link down below to get yourself an account over on Bybit, you'll get yourself upwards of $30,050 worth of bonuses and a massive discount on fees right now for the next couple of weeks because they've got this massive competition going on. So by using the link down below, you're guaranteeing yourself the biggest possible bonus. And if you're within the app and you can't use the link down below, make sure the code is 17489, like you see right there. This will guarantee you get the best possible rewards, right? Just use that link, you'll not be sorry. Or I should say you'll not regret it because it's literally the best possible one. All right, so now that we've transferred a little bit of money into it and you're wondering how exactly do you trade? Well, we could, for example, look through and think, hey, we want to trade some more of the S&P 500, right? Let's just quickly scroll through and we find the S&P 500 right there. Now, I already bought a little bit, but let's say I wanted to buy a lot more. For example, I wanted to buy another one lot. That's $6,000. Not that much. Let's say we want to buy 3 lots, right? In this case here, $18.5 thousand. We press buy. There we go. And now if we scroll through, you can see it cost us like $1 or so in spread. And I believe there's a little bit of fees for actually purchasing this as well. You can see our money's gone down a little bit. Maybe it costs us like $5 or $3 a lot, something like that. But the idea is that over time, because we purchased now about $20,000 worth of the S&P, this will make us a ton more money. Right? I mean, basically how we lose is if the price all of a sudden starts doing something pretty freaking crazy like we saw a couple of months ago. But if we'd done this, what I'm showing you guys right now, just a few weeks ago, this is the chart over the past couple of months, right? So this is from the beginning of April up till now. Now, I do not know because I'm trying to do something on, give me a second. Okay, it's a bit difficult with the way I'm trying to record this. I was trying to showcase a percentage gain, but we could just quickly take a look and see. It was at $4,800 just a few months ago, right? Right now it's at $6,210 almost, well, $6,119. So you could just guess how much profit you would have made within this time period from But let's just say it's like a 30% gain or something within this time. If we had opened up this trade that basically cost us nothing because our margin is infinite, so to speak, right, with these indices, etc., we could have made 30% of whatever money we put in. So in this case, we could have made like $6,000 in the past couple of months by using practically nothing, right? We can also, in this case here, do it like times 10. So we could have perhaps made 60,000 if not more, right? Or maybe even times 100. It just depends on how heavy the market moves against you, right? Because if we open it right here and the market moved against us, we would have not loved ourselves. But the fact you can do all this from the Bybit app and hopefully make millions of dollars with stocks, Forex, etc. through this, in my opinion, is pretty freaking amazing. So I'll be definitely using this a lot more. Now, if we scroll through, there's actually also different individual stocks you can go for. You will have to quickly approve it. Let me quickly go and show you, right? It'll ask, hey, are you aware of the risks of buying these individual stocks? You just quickly press yes, I acknowledge that. And maybe you want to see it again, maybe you don't. You press confirm. Now you can also buy specific stocks. And if we scroll, you can find a lot of different ones. Tesla, for example, you can find Apple. You can probably find Nvidia somewhere in there too. If we keep scrolling through, maybe it'll also be in there, or you can type it in with the search button over on there. We've got metals we could trade, like gold, for example. We can buy Forex. Hey, maybe we want to trade a specific pair. You can find every single one of them that you might want to trade in there. It's all simply within one app. Or you've got gold, sugar, gasoline, oil, wheat. You've got everything you might want within here, right? Some of these I've never traded before. I've never traded sugar, but now I might do that just because maybe I find some news and I might figure out a specific edge. It's just a game changer, the fact that all of this can be done through the Bybit app right now. And like I said, there's also a $1 million prize pool going on for people who use these new features right now. It's only for the next couple of weeks, so if you want to make some extra money, not financial advice, by the way, but if you want to make some extra money, you've got an edge, you've got a trading strategy. Right now, as it stands, I'm up about 1% on my account. Well, no, actually, it's back down to about 0.1% now. 0.8. It's fluctuating a lot. Things were just good. I opened a couple of funny trades. It's so cool what the crypto space has turned into. The fact you can do all this through the Bybit app, in my opinion, is absolutely huge. But you'll find the links for all this down below. Just check it out. And that's about it for this video. Go ahead, trade, have fun, and I'll see you guys again in another one.